Hello traders. Today I'm going to share a wonderful strategy, a wonderful technique. Today we will identify the footprint of big investor, and the title of this video is the same, that how to find out the footprint of big investor. So you can see that this is the chart of Asian Paint and this is the chart for AGN. So we will try to identify where the big investor make their entry. So we start from the starting, then you can see that this green line is representing 20-day simple moving average line, and the red line representing 200-day simple moving average line. I hope you can see the movement of cursor. The stock is moving with 20-day simple moving average line on continuous basis, and you can see that there is no buying or selling opportunity on this level. And on this point, approximately 110, you can see that a big bullish elephant bar rise at 20-day simple moving average line, and the second candle crossed the high of the first candle also. So what do you think? Should we take a call on this point, or we should avoid this call? This is my question to all of you. As per my understanding, we should avoid this trade. Reason number first, the 20-day simple moving average line on downside. Number second, there is a resistance on CPR, just a little bit on the upside. There is a resistance of CPR, and number third, there is a resistance of 200-day simple moving average line also. So if stock move on upside, then it may retrace on this point. It may retrace on this 200-day simple moving average line. So our feasibility of making profit is very low. And if stock move on the downside, on the reverse side, then because this candle is a big candle, our loss may become big. So we should avoid this type of trade and wait for the right opportunity. Then you can see the stock is moving. There is no buying or selling opportunity on this point. Now you can see that what a wonderful location. A bullish tail bar crossed 20-day simple moving average line, crossed 200-day simple moving average line, and it crossed the CPR line also. So you can see that what a wonderful location. And the second candle crossed the high of the first candle. So again, my question to all of you: should we take a trade on this point or not? As per my experience and as per my knowledge, we should 100% take a buy call on this point. If stock show a bearish elephant or tail bar on this level, and it cross the second candle cross the low of the first candle, then we should take a call on sell side on this point. But now it's going on the upside, then we must take a buy call on this level. And you can see that the 20-day simple moving average line also on the upside. So there is no reason to avoid this type of call, because when 20-day 200-day line on a parallel way, then a big up move will come, because 20-day simple moving average line is also giving us comfort that the stock will move on the upside. So we must take a call on this point. And as per our strategy, we must add the stop loss under this bullish tail bar. Stock reverse from this point, then our loss will be only one bar. It not a big bullish tail bar. So if it will reverse on this level, then our loss will be minimum. And you can see the stock is continue going on the upside. So number first, this is the bullish tail bar. Number second candle cross the high of the first candle. Number third, 20-day simple moving average line on upside. Number fourth, 20 and 200-day simple moving average line is on parallel way, combined way, and a strong up move can go on the upside because 20-day simple moving average line on the upside. So be alert. It's a big opportunity. It's waiting for us. So we have to watch price action very carefully. We have to make our total focus on this type of location, this type of opportunity. Because if we identify this type of opportunity, where then we are moving to noise trader to professional trader. Noise trader generally do R&D on this portion from 11:30 to 12:30. They generally do R&D on this 11 and they lose their money to doing the process of R&D. And the professional trader watch and wait for the right opportunity. And when he feel that this is the opportunity, as per my experience, my strategy, my plan, my knowledge, then he make the entry on this type of level. So this is the difference between novice traders and professional trader. So always try to move on the professional side. Always try to wait for the right opportunity. This is the bullish tail bar, and the second candle also a bullish elephant bar. So me and you do not have so much money. We cannot make a bullish tail bar or bullish elephant bar. It's generally made by the big investor. So we have to follow the big investor with the help of our knowledge of technical, help with the help of our strategy, our plan. Or this should be follow on discipline way because discipline is the key of success. Always remember this. So you can see that stock is moving on the upside and it crossed the this resistance level, this pivot resistance level on the upside with a bullish elephant bar. So there is no need to be exit from the stock on this level. We have to continue with the stock. And you can see that stock is feeling weakness. The next resistance point, on this point we should exit because as per our exit rule, when stock feels weakness on any important location, any important resistance or support level, then we have to exit from the stock. So we should exit from the stock on this level. On this point you can see that if the stock is reverse on the downside, then we lose only one bar. Now on this trade we make approximately 11 to 12 bar. So what a wonderful risk reward ratio of this strategy. So this is from my side. I hope you understand the power of technical, the power of knowledge, the power of experience. So if you like this strategy, this plan, this contents, then you can press the like button, subscribe my channel, and share this video with your friend also. If you want to learn more, then you can join my webinar, which is happening every Saturday and Sunday. This is one strategy out of my 16-day trading strategy. I will share my 16-day trading strategy on my webinar, the professional way, to work in the market, what the professional trader do in the market, what is the trading psychology on my webinar. Then we understand how to manage the trade, risk management, each and everything we will discuss. I will teach on a structured way. There are a lot of things for learning on this webinar. So if you are interested, then you can join my webinar. If you want to move from the novice trader to professional trader, then you can join my webinar. So this is from my side. Thank you guys. Thank you very much and best of luck for your trading journey. Thank you guys.